Notoriety. Being famous for something bad. Example: the criminal gained notoriety for his daring escape. Parsimonious. Very unwilling to spend money. Example: the parsimonious man refused to buy a new coat. Dissembler. Someone who hides their true feelings or intentions. Example: she was a dissembler, never showing her true emotions. Slanging. Using slang or informal language. Example: the teenagers were slanging back and forth. Infatuate. Be inspired with intense but short-lived passion or admiration. Example: he was infatuated with his new girlfriend. Punk. A young troublemaker or rebel. Example: the old man called the noisy teenagers punks. Deceiver. A person who tricks or lies to others. Example: he was known as a deceiver and couldn't be trusted. Taunt. Tease or make fun of someone. Example: the bullies taunted him about his clothes. Humiliate. Make someone feel ashamed or foolish. Example: the teacher humiliated the student in front of the class. Persecute. Treat someone unfairly or cruelly over a long period. Example: many people have been persecuted for their beliefs. Resentment. Feeling of anger or displeasure about something unfair. Example: he felt resentment towards his boss for the unfair criticism. Absurd. Very silly or unreasonable. Example: his suggestion to build a bridge to the moon was absurd. Zealous. Having or showing strong enthusiasm. Example: she is a zealous supporter of animal rights. Nettle. Irritate or annoy someone. Example: her constant complaints nettled him. meritorious, deserving reward or praise. Example: she received an award for her meritorious service. Bafflement, state of being confused or perplexed. Example: his strange behavior left everyone in bafflement. Flattery, excessive and insincere praise, often used to manipulate or impress someone. Example: she was uncomfortable with the flattery from her coworkers. Exaggerate, make something seem larger or more important than it is. Example: he tends to exaggerate his achievements. Indignant, feeling or showing anger at something unjust. Example: she was indignant at the unfair treatment. Agitation, feeling of anxiety or nervous excitement. Example: the news caused widespread agitation in the community. Lethal, deadly or fatal. Example: the snake's bite was lethal. Allure, the quality of being powerfully attractive. Example: the allure of the city drew many people to it. Canard, a false or unfounded rumor. Example: the newspaper published a canard about the politician. Insanity, state of being seriously mentally ill. Example: the movie portrayed the character's descent into insanity. Infidel, a person who does not believe in a particular religion. Example: he was labeled an infidel by the religious leaders. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.